Cracking your knuckles does not cause long-term harm. Ever wondered what causes the popping sound when you crack your knuckles? Scientists have used ultrasound machines to show that cavities form inside joints during knuckle cracking. The act of cracking knuckles causes synovial fluid, which fills the joints, to expand and allow gases collected within the fluid to burst, causing that popping sound. This in turn stimulates the nerves and relaxes the muscles, which often results in greater joint mobility. Gases take about 25 minutes to build up in the synovial fluid before knuckles can be cracked again. As to whether cracking knuckles is bad for you, well, there's no evidence to prove that habitual knuckle cracking causes long-term harm. So for now, crack away.